What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to color grade and change your video to black and white in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step is to go ahead and click on the color tab right here, and it should be at the top. Next step is you're going to go to the right area and just click the right arrow right here next to the picture. And keep on clicking this till you see an image that is black and white. And to apply this image to your video, you just go ahead and left click. And now we have a black and white video. But if you don't want a black and white video and you want to have like a cinematic little video, you can go ahead and click one of these presets here. There are plenty of presets that you can choose from. And if you want to customize your own kind of color grading, you can go ahead and just like mess with these little colors, and you can also raise your intensity, your fade clip, you can raise your sharpness, or you can lower these too, your vibrance and your saturation. So I would probably raise my saturation and my vibrance and lower my sharpen and my faded, and kind of raise my intensity a little bit. And I have it kind of set to orange and yellow, both of these. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. And remember, all of these options are in the color tab. Just go ahead, click on the color tab, and you'll get these options. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, because the channel is not doing too great. We're actually kind of dying, guys. So, yeah, like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. I'm doing a lot more of these tutorials on Premiere Pro. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.